Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Here are all the possibilities, if MANA's bulls uphold this level. Since its ath on 25 November, Decentraland, MANA, has been on a steady downtrend, while the bulls kept defending the $2.3 range. Now, a compelling close above the $2.3 base is needed to confirm the strength of its recent falling wedge, white. Should the selling spree continue, MANA would pick itself up from the $2.1 mark support, white, dashed. At press time, MANA traded at $2.3689, down by 4.7% in the last 24 hours. MANA daily chart. After a steep downfall from its lifetime milestone, the alt lost over 70% of its value and poked its 11-week low on 22 January. Since then, MANA doubled its value before reversing from its long-term trendline resistance. Post which, it dropped below crucial price points. Over the past month, MANA depreciated in a falling wedge on its daily chart. Since its decline phase, the alt has struggled to keep itself above the mean of Bollinger Bands, BB. The price has entered into a tight phase in the last 3 weeks, thus hinting at a possible volatile phase in the days to come. From here on, the $2.3 mark would be a vital price point for the buyers to step in and prevent a further decline. Also, recently the volumes have been on a plunge, hence, revealing a weak bear move. If the bulls manage to uphold the immediate support, the alt would likely continue its low volatility phase, before making a trend committal move. Rationale. The RSI has significantly weakened over the last month. After forming a descending triangle-like pattern, the 40-point floor would be crucial for the bulls to defend. A reversal from this mark would keep up the recovery hopes alive. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator affirmed the squeeze phase over the last 3 weeks, thus reaffirming the possibility of a volatile period in the coming days. And last, conclusion. MANA is truly in a dicey territory. If the bulls ensure the $2.3 base, the chances of a reversal from its falling wedge were bright. But a close below this level could cause a $2.1 retest before a revival phase. Besides, the alt shared a 73% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. So, keeping a watch on the King Coin's movement would be crucial to complement the above analysis. And second news today is, could Decentraland's phygital move be the catalyst for MANA land sales? Both Decentraland and the Sandbox have been pushing the metaverse to the general public. Alas, owing to present market conditions, their plans do not seem to be working. For its part, however, Decentraland does not seem to want to back down. Its latest effort to push metaverse to the mainstream audience may just be proof of the same. Decentraland X Bulova. According to an announcement 2 days ago, Decentraland has now introduced a new phygital watch to the world. Launched by Bulova in partnership with Decave, the watch has been described as wearable in the metaverse, with more details intended to be shared by 10 March. Bulova, as a 147-year-old brand, has a strong presence in the market. And, with the company making a move into the virtual world, Decentraland would attract more brand users to join the metaverse. If the plan works, then, Decentraland would be able to pull some investment out of people, since on-chain data shows Decentraland is not doing very well. Land sales, for instance, have been diminishing instead of rising. Decentraland plot sales skyrocketed in November, and managed to sell up to 1,551 plots, bringing in $13.6 million. However, volumes were much higher in January at $16 million, despite land sales dropping to 1,328. This is also because the number of unique owners has fallen significantly. Landowners between November and December rose by 1,100, while between January and February, the same figure was just 549. Naturally, a lack of new users will lead to a lack of sales, and consequently, the total sales volume will also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million, respectively, last month. The rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.